Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. D3O is a 4-carbon aldotetrose shown as a Fischer projection. C1 is ChO, top, C2 has HO on the left and H on the right, C3 has H on the left and O on the right, and C4 is CH2O, bottom. Moving on to the next step. Assign priorities at C2. The 4 substituents are O, highest, number 1, ChO group upward, number 2 carbon bearing 2 oxygens effectively, the chain going down toward C3, C4, CH2O, number 3, and H, number 4 lowest. In a Fischer projection, horizontal bonds point toward the viewer and vertical bonds point away. Moving on to the next step. HO is on the left, toward viewer, H is on the right, toward viewer. The ChO is up, away, and the lower chain is down, away. Priority order, number 1 is equal to O, left, toward viewer, number 2 is equal to ChO carbon, up, away, number 3 is equal to C3 chain, down, away, number 4 is equal to H, right, toward viewer. Since H, number 4, is pointing toward the viewer, horizontal in Fischer, we first determine the rotation of 1 to 3 and then invert. The sequence of left, ChO, up, C3 chain, down, traces a clockwise arc R, but because H is toward the viewer we invert S. Therefore C2 is S. And for the final step, H is on the left, toward viewer, or is on the right, toward viewer. The C2 chain is up, away, and CH2O is down, away. Priority order, number 1 is equal to O, right, toward viewer, number 2 is equal to C2 chain up, away, bears O, ChO, number 3 is equal to CH2O down, away, number 4 is equal to H, left, toward viewer. Rotation of 1 to 3, O, right, C2 chain, up, CH2O, down, traces counterclockwise S, but H is toward the viewer so invert R. Therefore C3 is R. Conclusion. C2 is equal to S, C3 is equal to R, giving configuration to S3R. Why other options fail? A. 2R3R incorrectly assigns both centers as RB, 2R3 as incorrectly assigns C2 as R and C3 as S, D, 2S3 as incorrectly assigns C3 as S. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.